June 1st, 2025. A funny and bizarre scene was caught on camera by a Russian unit. The whole moment felt like something straight out of GTA 5. Soldiers from the reconnaissance company of Russia's 22nd Motor Rifle Regiment stole an armored vehicle, either a Ukrainian Stryker or a Canadian LAV Super Bison, during a raid behind Ukrainian lines. As they were driving the vehicle back, a Ukrainian soldier suddenly chased after them in panic. It seems he thought his own teammates were leaving him behind as a joke. The scene looked like a confused passenger who just stepped out to pee, and the driver forgot about him. This entire event feels like a funny revenge mission from the Russian unit, possibly in response to Ukraine's recent destruction of several Russian strategic bombers.